How to join Terraria via Steam. So you cannot just launch the game and expect to magically connect without ensuring your Steam settings are correct. So the absolute most common and reliable method is using the in-game multiplayer menu. So first things first, launch Terraria by clicking on play here on the library and wait for it to load. Once it's all loaded up, click on multiplayer right here, then click on join via Steam. And this will bring up the Steam overlay and also your Steam friends list directly inside the game engine. Now simply click the friend who is hosting the game and select join. So let's say this friend is hosting the game. So what you want to do is click on right click and there should be a join game option under the Terraria right here. So the second method is using the Steam overlay itself. So let's say you're already inside the game. So what you want to do is press Shift plus Tab on your keyboard to open up your Steam overlay. Now, if you don't see your friend list, what you want to do is click on this friends icon at the bottom and it will show your friends list right there. After that, just do the same method, right click on your friend, and there should be a join game option under the Terraria section right here. So just make sure that they're already in the world so that you can join in on it. And if neither of these two methods works, the host strictly failed to set up their world correctly. So first they must go to multiplayer and click on host and play, choose their character and their world, and absolutely ensure they select Steam multiplayer enabled. And also with friends allowed before launching. Since if they selected single player by mistake, you will never be able to join them no matter what you click. And that is how you basically join Terraria via Steam.